Hi everyone, this is going to be a quick demo video on the Fumoto F106SX engine oil drain valve. This is going to be on a 2014 Kia Soul with a 2.0 engine. First, you just remove this nylon cover and then the locking lever clip here. And then you simply push away from you and then rotate up. And just for frame of reference, the front of the car is that way, rear of the car is that way, and then that is the front passenger wheel. Once you're done draining, you simply just pull the lever clip back towards you, and then put the locking clip back on. That way it keeps the lever from moving. And then if you wish, you can put the nylon cover back on to keep dust and debris from the drain port. Alright, thank you for watching.